Word association time. Probiotics. Good for you. Dr. O'Hara's Probiotics. Joining us right now is one of the scientists with Dr. O'Hara's Probiotics, a man named Dr. Ross Pelton. I've known Dr. Pelton 21 years. He's been on this show a lot. When you hear the word probiotics, I love that all of us now think Dr. O'Hara's Probiotics. Anybody out there benefited from them? Mm-hmm. There's a new kid on the block, Reg'Activ. Past couple of years we've been talking about that. Dr. Pelton is one of the scientists that has published in this area of something called Me3, a bacteria that makes something called glutathione. So let's jump off there. What is, number one, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Doug.
Number two, what is glutathione?
Doug, glutathione is called the master antioxidant. It's a multifunctioning substance in our bodies. It regulates your detoxification. It's critical for the function of your immune system. It helps prevent the replication of viruses. You know, there's a war going on inside your body. There's an army of good guys fighting an army of bad guys. Reg'Activ contains this strain of bacteria, Lactobacillus fermentum Me3. I know that's a mouthful. We just call it Me3 for simplicity. But Me3 is a strain of bacteria that synthesizes glutathione. And one of the most important things that people can do to slow down their aging process and achieve what I call healthy longevity is to boost their glutathione levels. And these Reg'Activ products that have the Me3 bacteria that can synthesize glutathione is the most effective way to boost your glutathione levels.
If there were no Reg'Activ on the market, if you folks hadn't, the scientists hadn't discovered this Me3 bacteria, how would you recommend you increase your glutathione levels?
Well, adequate protein in the diet is important, and as people age, they tend to eat less, but as people age, they should be consuming more protein. So adequate protein is a big issue, and many people don't consume enough protein, so their body can't make enough glutathione.
I notice when I go into a health food store, there are glutathione tablets that are recommended. Does that convert to glutathione in the liver?
Most glutathione, when it's taken orally, gets broken down and destroyed before it gets absorbed. So for many years, for decades, you did not see glutathione tablets on the shelves in health food stores because it's not effective when it's taken orally. But now you've got a strain of bacteria that gets absorbed and starts to produce it. It's like a manufacturing plant for glutathione in your intestinal tract.
And some of the benefits here are amazing.
These are the results, Doug, from human clinical trials. 16% reduction in oxidized LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is not so bad. Right. But when it gets oxidized, it's a deranged molecule. It can damage your vascular system, increases your cardiovascular risk. So taking the Me3 bacteria and boosting glutathione, people had a 16% reduction in oxidized LDL cholesterol, means they're lowering their risk to cardiovascular disease. Isoprostanes are a type of free radicals that's produced when cellular membranes get damaged in your body. So 20% decrease in free radical production, we'll say. This third bullet point is important. It's a mind blower. 49% increase in the ratio between reduced to oxidized glutathione. Reduced is the active form of glutathione, and oxidized means it's no longer functional. No other product in the world has ever gotten this large a boost in reduced glutathione levels.
Half. Reduced by half.
Yeah, it increased by half.
Increased, right.
Yes, it's boosting the level of active reduced glutathione. It's kind of a difficult term to understand there because reduced glutathione is really the active form of the molecule. And this fourth one I like to emphasize, when you take Me3 and you boost your glutathione levels, you're not just boosting your glutathione levels. The glutathione helps to recycle used up vitamin C and vitamin E, so you're boosting all your antioxidant levels here. 26% increase in total antioxidant activity, which means every cell in your body has got increased antioxidant protection.
Dr. Pelton, what do you see when you've got glutathione levels that are waning? What symptoms do you see?
All the chronic age-related diseases are associated with low glutathione levels. And this slide, Doug, is a really interesting story. Back in the 1980s, I started following the work of two physicians, Dr. John Ritchie and Dr. Calvin Lang. They started studying glutathione, and they did a really remarkable study. They put a glutathione precursor in the drinking water for some animals and got 50 to 100% increase in the glutathione levels, which resulted in a 30 to 38% lifespan increase. What animals did they use? They were boosting the glutathione levels in mosquitoes. When I do this presentation, somebody in the audience always raises their hand and says, why would anybody want to increase the lifespan of mosquitoes? But Dr. Ritchie and Dr. Calvin Lang proposed the glutathione deficiency hypothesis, and based on their findings here, not just in mosquitoes, but also other animals and human, they're now saying that glutathione is a biomarker of aging. Higher glutathione levels, slowing down your aging process, improving your long-term health. So it's one of the most important things that I recommend to people. If you want to improve your health and achieve what I call healthy longevity, boost your glutathione levels, and the Reg'Activ products are the most effective way to do this.
It's got to make you, as a scientist, a pharmacist, a certified nutritionist, it's got to make you very proud to work with a company who brought us Dr. Ohhira's probiotics, and now another huge development, all to assisting people.
Landmark breakthrough products.
And it's all about the gut, isn't it? I mean, it's just, you swallow.
It's a revolution in healthcare.
I'm so excited for you. Thank you, Dr. Pelton, for being with us.